It's a 2014 Land Rover Range Rover Sport. From its dominant exterior to its unrivaled road handling, you're about to go where you never thought possible. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: rear parking sensors, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, intercooled supercharged V8 engine, dual zone climate control, memory steering wheel settings, external memory control, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, active front and rear anti-roll bar, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. Edmunds.com explains, what's immediately apparent is that all this talk of agility is not marketing waffle. The way the Sport changes direction is hugely impressive, even at speeds that would have been downright worrying in the old model. This could well prove to be the first Land Rover that's genuinely fun to drive on a challenging, twisty road. Land Rover, the pinnacle of capability. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.